Hello, Bobcats, and all the other OCPS teachers out there. Brad Streffler here, and just a quick, easy video today, something that might save you a little bit of time. So, as you know, throughout the year and throughout the years, different items get added into Launchpad, and they usually get added towards the bottom or in some random place. You can always search for things. So, for example, this today was Land School Air got added, and I looked through and I didn't see it, but when I searched, oh, there it is. There's Land School Air. So I have the search box up in the top as one option. But what I like to do is actually go through and clean up the ones that I use most often. So up in the top, you'll see this button that says Edit Mode. You can click on that, and now I can drag the tiles around. So like the Land School Air, I'm probably going to use pretty often. I'm going to move that one up to the top. Drag it, and now my things reorganize. So the ones I use most often, I have right up top. Skyward, Nearpod, OCPS, Office, Canvas, etc. Things I may not use as often make their way to the bottom. So for example, things that I don't actually have to use in my grade level, I have down here towards the bottom, but things I need all the time are towards the top. A lot of these you also can't remove yourself because they are created by the district and they're sitting there. So another thing you can do is you can actually add in a folder. So you can click Add Folder, and you can give it a name of Unused Apps or something to that effect. Mine is actually just called Ignore Me, and I have objects that I never actually use for my class in my Ignore Me folder. In fact, I haven't updated that in a while. So I have things that I don't use for my class are just going to be dropped right into my Ignore Me folder. So now I don't have to worry about all these extra apps sitting on my dashboard, and I can see only the ones I really want to see. Just kind of gives you an idea of some of the different things you can do and access. You can reorganize your Launchpad, maybe make your lives a little bit easier. So, hope this helped you guys out. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, bradley.streffler@ocps.net. I'll be glad to help you guys out there. And I know you're going to do awesome things for and with your students this year.